You're okay, Leroy. You're okay. You're okay also. I don't trust you guys sometimes. Okay. You're okay, Leroy. Come on. You're okay. You're okay. You're okay. Here you go. Here. I'm checking on my phone. Don't. Swear to God, horse. You're dusty. Are you dusty? You're okay. You're just hairy. You got hair all over you. So he's 30, maybe 20, 29 to 30. He's 28, 27, 28 or 29. I don't know. Yeah, I know. Do you have a fly in your eye? Okay. So he got like a mohawk. Yeah, we're gonna have to trim their hose. You're okay. You're okay. Yeah, I'm gonna start walking up. There's too much noise. They're gonna spook here in like probably a couple of seconds. I'm gonna try to get up there without getting mauled by horses because of the noises. And we're gonna do it quickly. There's like some screaming in the woods. So do it really quickly too. Try to get up here. This is not fun. So I'm close to the gate, so I'm good. I'm okay. But yeah, I don't know what type of animal that was. All I know, I heard it screaming. Or it was a man or something. It sounded like a horn, but it was like an animal or a human screaming. Like yelling, I mean. The horses are not reacting at all. Surprisingly. We're okay. If the horses aren't reacting, we should be fine. I probably shouldn't say that, but we're good. The horses are fine. Bye.